In an unforeseen future, where shadows of darkness dance across the sky, humanity will realize that its destiny lies within the questions about the end of the world. In this brief journey, we will explore the landscape of darkness and question everything we know. The first question arises from the warnings that emerge from the heavens. Does this mysterious message come from extraterrestrial entities warning us of an impending apocalypse, or is it merely empty echoes filling the void of space and time? As humans vanish, the universe's destiny will evolve without our presence. Does this universe have its own plan? How will the forsaken Earth retaliate for all the negligence you leave behind? Apocalypse is often associated with destruction, but could there be hidden beauty within it? Is it possible that apocalypse is the universe's way of bringing about a new balance? Could there be room for growth and new life amidst the ruins? When destruction strikes, we learn about human resilience and strength. Will the apocalypse test our limits and reveal hidden potentials in the darkness? Can we find new light that leads to a higher evolution of humanity? Within the questions about the end of the world, we discover the marvels and uniqueness of our lives. Perhaps the apocalypse is a call for us to question, to contemplate, for it is through questioning that we find meaning and move forward on this unexpected journey. And in the end, these questions may remain unanswered. Perhaps true beauty lies in our ignorance. Let us explore the eternity of questions and live within the mystery, for in mystery, we find wonder.